Hi! In front of me is Redmi 12 and today I would like to show you how you can add password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Now tap on Autofill with Google, and Passwords. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. In order to make them visible, click on this gear next to Password Manager and make sure that Offer to Save Password option is on. Then log in to one of your apps and hit Save in Google pop-up. This way, your password will appear over here. Now to edit from those settings, select this plus icon next to Search Passwords. Now input all of those informations. You can enter website data, or tap on Select App and click on the chosen one. In my case, Facebook, and type in all of those important info, username or email, password, and some helpful notes. When you finished, to save your password, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!